Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. If you're swapping an LS into your 350Z or G35 and you're looking for a fuel system solution, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. The factory Nissan 350Z and G35 is what's called a returnless fuel system, meaning there's one fuel line running from the tank up to the engine. This system is designed to utilize that same layout. This kit provides everything you need to tap into your factory hard line that runs from your fuel tank to the engine. By utilizing the Sikky line and the quick disconnect fittings, this makes for a simple and easy installation. These quick disconnect fittings are designed to mate your factory hard line to the OEM GM rail. We also provide this heat sleeve to protect the fuel line as it travels past the exhaust manifold. This high-performance black braided nylon line comes set to the perfect length and includes these high-quality AN fittings for a simple installation. This fuel system will support up to 500 horsepower in an LS simply by replacing the fuel pump in the fuel tank, utilizing the factory hardline and the factory fuel pressure regulator. To learn more about this fuel system kit and what else we make for 350Zs and G35s, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.